Gusty showers moved through yesterday evening, giving rise to some of that wind damage. They developed in Arkansas about 8 o'clock yesterday evening. They moved all the way across Mississippi, and by 3 o'clock in the morning, finally fizzling there in Atlanta. And that little band, not very wide, but it was pretty potent, tapping into some wind and a lot of trees coming down, power line issues. And that was the scene earlier this morning in Ackerman. But we're done with that. Now we're talking about some cooler weather. In the wake of that system, we have a frost advisory for the northern half of the area. This is for tomorrow night and Wednesday morning. And we may see another one Wednesday night and Thursday morning. Chilly tonight, but probably not cold enough for a widespread frost. But if you are concerned here for the next couple of nights, do be prepared to cover some of that tender vegetation you may have in your garden. We'll moderate things by the weekend with temperatures getting back into the 40s and 50s for lows here going forward, and warmer daytime temperatures as well. All right, let's check out our Alpha Insurance camera network here in Columbus and Tupelo, Vernon, and Louisville. Mid to upper 40s right now, mainly clear conditions across the region. Northerly breezes lightening up here, but that northerly flow is ushering in colder air. 20s. Denver, Colorado today had a record cold high temperature today. I just saw this, about 25 degrees for the high in mid-April. Look at this. We've got snow going across the Texas Panhandle and into Oklahoma City tonight. That moisture will stay north of us. Here's our first alert forecast. We got Goldie, we got Bertha. Look at those two friends right there. Sun and clouds tomorrow, 62, partly cloudy Wednesday, 63. Pushing 70 on Thursday. Rain chances fairly low here. Let's just call it 0. The goose egg here through Friday. As we get into Saturday and Sunday, a better chance for a little bit of moisture returning to the region. And we'll just see what happens with the weekend. It could be wet, maybe a little bit stormy. At this point, we're going to lowball the expectations, but we'll just see how it all plays out. Temperatures cooling from the 40s into the upper 30s, low 40s for tomorrow. As we get into our day, Tuesday, midday, mid to upper 50s, a chilly one here, but we should see an overall quiet day, a mix of sun and clouds, no moisture expected. 50s to low 60s tomorrow night. There you go. Mid 30s, perhaps some low 30s, frost potential, clear, cool. And for Wednesday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, still chilly. 50s and low 60s. In general, for the rest of the work week, fairly benign weather. Things will tend to get a little bit more organized as we get into your Friday and for that weekend with that next system coming on in here. But it's still yet to be determined. Confidence is fairly high through Friday with a gradual warm up into the 70s. Maybe Thursday, definitely by Friday. Still a bit iffy for that weekend forecast. We'll just hedge the bet and include a chance of rain Saturday, Sunday. Temperatures into the 70s, more 70s early next week.